He's learning that his bull cries.
They just spit him a whole cup.
Oh, really?
No, you can't look at
I was looking at, it was just a, it was a headband, had 2 bunny ears on it. I thought, I wonder if Shelby would wear these, eh? I'm thinking, I should have bought those for Frank.
There's only one thing I want.
Why doesn't any Monster have a case though?
It has to be picked
Yeah, and then put them in.
This was just clean J.
He'll eat it anyway.
I'll have to edit that out.
I'm looking, it was awfully chunky for plain Jane.
It's
plain.
He eats goulash soup, which is really garlicky.
You think that's mislabeled?
Yes,
Yeah, sure.
it is.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You usually have that all done.
I know.
Smells like bacon. Oh, bacon, 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 bacon.
Okay, it looks good.
That does look good. Where is it? What kind is it?
From steaks, it's a Kentucky Smithfield. What's a fork?
Darn it, this plate's so good.
Just reading on the stove.
That may go well.
I know. That's turkey. What?
I saw that.
No, you didn't.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're allowed to.
Yeah.
Happy Easter. Here's a jar of mustard.
Yeah.
Do we have a can of cranberry sauce?
No.
Yeah, grandma's on a move though.
Oh.
Videographer.